The best photo editing software today is unrecognizable from the best photo editors just a few years ago. Because of intuitive AI, mundane tasks that once took hours can be done in just one click, leaving you to do the real creative things you want to do. In short, there's never been a better time to update your photo editing software. And in this video we bring you the best photo editing softwares. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Adobe Photoshop. It is quite simply the best piece of photo editing software around, with features and functionality that far exceed any competitors. Adobe has been boosting Photoshop extensively with each iteration, and lately its AI-powered tools that make it even more slick and streamlined. Adobe Photoshop is basically a raster-based image editing software. With multiple layers and features such as masking, image wrapping tools, alpha compositing, fluid camera rotation, and file display tools, and much more advanced tools, Photoshop can edit and compose raster images. Some of the features of Adobe Photoshop are: 1. Photoshop's layers feature allows users to create separate levels on which they can edit images or add text, shapes, or other design elements. 2. Its selection tools allow users to select specific parts of an image to edit or move. 3. The software's brushes allow users to paint on an image or to create different effects by using different brush settings. Brushes can be used for simple tasks like adding color to an image or for more complex tasks like creating photorealistic paintings. 4. Their filters allow users to change the appearance of an image by applying different effects. Filters can be used to simulate different types of film or to create unique artistic effects. Number 2. Affinity Photo. Affinity Photo has professional standard editing features, and it can handle raw editing, HDR merge, panoramic stitching, focus stacking, batch processing, 360-degree image editing, non-destructive layers-based editing, and smart objects. It can also handle PSD files without an issue, so if you're sick of Photoshop's running costs and want to jump ship, you'll still be able to work with all your in-progress files. Some of the features of Affinity Photo are: 1. It has merge bracketed exposures together to create 32-bit images. 2. It has a unique persona for advanced tone mapping. 3. It has a strong color palette to work with. Number 3. Cyberlink Photo Director 365. This tool has various AI-powered features that have been added into the latest version. Landscape photographers in particular may appreciate the AI sky replacement tool, which lets you seamlessly swap out a drab sky in an image for one with a little more drama to it. There is also automatic body shaping, tools for editing skin and faces, as well as lighting and animation effects. The intuitive interface is easy to get to grips with. Some of the features of Cyberlink Photo Director 365 are: 1. You can animate, blend, position, relight, and realign. 2. You can customize colors with precision tools to edit the world the way you imagined. 3. You create dreamy effects with Bokeh. Add natural glows, sparkles, or intense bursts of light. Number 4. Luminar NEO. Luminar NEO is ideal for those of you who are used to making the odd tweak in mobile apps like Instagram, but want to take your photo editing skills to the next, desktop level. First off, the interface is super easy to use and excels in its intuitive design, and though the more professional photo editors will still be looking at the top 3 on this list, they may still be interested in the 3 canny AI tools that Luminar NEO has to offer. Some of the features of Luminar NEO are: 1. It has good AI tools. 2. It has an interesting mask AI feature. 3. It has cataloging systems and cool presets. Number 5. Pixlr Photo Studio 11. Pixlr Photo Studio is another middleweight photo editing software that's easy to use and features some clever AI. Currently on version 11, its background eraser and cutout tool are particularly well designed, and there is also a cool sky replacement tool. Although the results are not always the most realistic. With the intuitive interface, this is among the most accessible yet full-featured photo editors for beginners and makes it easy to perform basic edits very quickly. Some of the features of Pixlr Photo Studio 11. 1. You can make a photo montage. 2. Its object removal tool is effective. 3. It has a smart cropping tool. 4. It allows selective retouching. Number 6. Pixlr X. Pixlr X allows you to make non-destructive edits to your images and brilliantly can be used within Dropbox, which makes it a great addition to your toolkit for collaborative work. With a Photoshop-like interface, it offers a good range of adjustments and filters. Pixlr E, meanwhile, offers the same classic photo editing tools with the addition of some extras for the pros. Some of the features of Pixlr X. 1. It offers customizable templates. 2. You can share your images. 3. It offers data storage and management. Number 7. Corel Paint Shop Pro. Corel Paint Shop Pro has been the budget alternative to Photoshop for Windows users for more than 2 decades, and it's still going strong. Supporting layers and allowing you to edit in both raster and vector image formats, as well as aping some of Photoshop's more advanced capabilities such as content-aware move, gradients, and filters, it has a lot to offer anyone who does photo editing as part of their day-to-day job. Its new version also uses AI tools to make the best of photo editing. Some of the features of Corel Paint Shop Pro are: 1. It has Photoshop-like features at a lower price. 2. Corel has powerful effects and editing tools. 3. It gives extensive help and tutorials for beginners. 4. It has automatic noise removal. Number 8. Adobe Lightroom. Lightroom is the best program for deep color correction, photo management, and raw photo editing. Its photo editing functionality and capabilities are really impressive. Lightroom presets and brushes let you to achieve professional results even if you're a beginner. While Adobe Lightroom has a lot of good photo editing tools, at heart it remains a tool for organizing images. For that reason, it's a great choice for anyone working with large numbers of photos. Use it together with Photoshop. Some of the features of Adobe Lightroom are: 1. It provides fast image management and organization. 2. It does camera and lens correction. 3. Lightroom offers effective tools for deep color correction. 4. It can detect faces and marks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.